What's up guys, Mark here with Driver 67. I'm going to show you how to set your tailgate height to its custom height. So a little bit lower, a little bit higher. It should work with Mazda CX-5s as well as some other models, possibly CX-9. But you let me know in the comments if it works for the other Mazda models. Alright folks, so this is the CX-5 with the tailgate open at maximum height. So let's say you got a garage with a lower ceiling or something, right? So this is the roof line, as you can see, protrudes a little bit higher, quite a bit higher from the roof line. So let's say you want to set it lower because of a low ceiling, or let's say you're a short person, 4'5", and you can't barely reach the button to close the tailgate. Easy. So all you have to do is, when the tailgate is fully open, pull it down to the height that you want. So let's say I'm a pretty short guy, so I'm going to pull it down here and set the tailgate at this height. So all you have to do to set it to this height is hold down the tailgate button. It beeps twice, that means it confirms that it's set to its custom height. So if I close the tailgate and I open it up again, it's just going to stop at its custom height. So there you go. Look how much lower that is right now. It's perfect. And let's say, you got another different driver driving, or you have a different garage that you want it open to its maximum height. Easy. When the tailgate's open to its custom height, all you have to do is push it up all the way. And this is a little bit different. Hold down the power tailgate button, and it beeps 3 times. And then keep holding. So it beeps now 3 times again, that means it confirms and it's on its maximum tailgate height. So I'm going to shut this baby down and then pop it back up and you'll see its maximum height. There you go, it's set to its maximum height. Well guys, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully this guide helps you out quite a bit there. Any questions at all, just leave in the comments right below, and thank you very much for watching. Driver 67 signing out.